How to track WorldRemit Cash Pickup. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can track your cash pickup on WorldRemit, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to track your cash pickup on WorldRemit, if you don't know first of all what cash pickup is basically just kind of payment withdrawal options made available by WorldRemit so that the recipient that you're trying to send money to can receive the money in cash based on their location as well. So that's basically what cash pickup is, and sometimes this process could take days, sometimes even a few weeks as well, and you might just want to track it just to be sure of it. Well, the process to track it is also very simple. Now many of the times you could have the tracking number or ID with you. You could just put in that ID anywhere else and then you should be able to track your order, or else you can just go to WorldRemit.com and then just make sure that you're signed into the account. And if there are any transactions, if there are any pickups, or if any type of deposit or withdrawals that are currently in progress, you will be able to find them from the My Transaction page. And to go to My Transaction, you have to click the My Transaction icon from the very top right hand side of the screen, as you can find here. You want to make sure to click on the option, and then over here you'll be able to see all of the transfers in progress, and you'll also be able to see your cash pickup order as well. So this way you can find your cash pickup and track them on WorldRemit. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.